What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Happy Lunar New Year, and welcome back to another Dino Ponds video. Today we're going to be talking about a relatively new project called BCH Bull, a new frontier in decentralized finance. This is a project I've been using for the last month now, and I have to say I've been absolutely loving it. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So currently I am on the homepage of bchbull.com, and if you click on the About tab, you can see what BCH Bull is all about. BCH Bull is a unique web application that allows users to take long positions with leverage on Bitcoin Cash against a number of other fiat and crypto assets. This is all done on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain, and it is a unique application, if not the only decentralized and non-custodial application that operates with layer 1 UTXO blockchain. So this is all really cool. If you look down at the BCH Bull features, it has permissionless contracts. You can use up to 5 times leverage. There's multiple assets that you can bet against. No counterparty risk. It's all done on chain. So let's actually dive into the actual application. So the actual application is just a click of a button away. You just press the Launch BCH Bull button, and it'll take you to this very easy to use interface. So this is the overview section of BCH Bull. As you can see, I've already done a ton of trades on BCH Bull. So if you click on this upper left hand corner, you can now see all the options that BCH Bull has to offer. So the first thing is the overview, which is what you see on the screen right now. The second tab will be the Speculate tab, and this is where things get interesting. So in the Speculate tab, you can speculate against multiple different assets. You can speculate against the USD, the Indian rupee, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, and silver. So for simplicity's sake, let's just use the US dollar. So if you are a BCH holder and you want to speculate that the price of Bitcoin Cash is going to go up in price, you will use the Speculate tab. So right now it says that the current price of Bitcoin Cash is $129.67. If you believe that the price of Bitcoin Cash will go up, then you can speculate. The maximum amount that you can speculate currently is at $2,500, and you can use 5 times leverage with $2,500. And that's what you do over here on the leverage tab. So there's a leverage wheel over here. You scroll up and down, you choose your leverage. I'm choosing 5x. Now you can choose the amount of time that you want your money to be locked into this smart contract. So the least amount of time is 2 hours. The maximum amount of time is 1 month. So let's speculate that in a month time, the price of Bitcoin Cash will have gone up. And I'm using 5 times leverage. Okay, so if I create a position, so I go down here and I press create position, it will now create a position for me. And it is so simple to use, guys. So it creates a QR code for me. It tells me that the fee for longing on my Bitcoin Cash for a month is a $496 right now. So right now the premium to long is a little bit higher, because I'm sure many people are now longing their Bitcoin Cash, expecting that the price of it will go up. So what this does right now is if I send Bitcoin Cash using this QR code, I am now gambling $2,500 worth of BCH, and it's in a 5x leverage position. So realistically, I'm playing with $12,500. It says down here, if the price reaches $103.73, I will lose everything. So the price would have to fall about $26, and that's how I'd lose my entire $2,500. However, if the price was to go up about $26, then I would double my money. So I would make $2,500 if the price was to go up by $25, because I'm using a 5x leverage. So that is exactly how speculating works on BCH Bull. And likewise, you can also hedge or stabilize your purchasing power. And the way to do this is, let's say I have, $10,000 worth of Bitcoin Cash, and I don't want my Bitcoin Cash to change. I want to keep my $10,000 purchasing power. Well, you would come to BCH Bull, and this is where BCH Bull really shines, because obviously we know that the price of crypto is very volatile. It can go up or down. Sometimes you just want to feel safe that your purchasing power is staying exactly where it's at. So right now, the price of Bitcoin Cash is $129.63. I would take $10,000 worth of Bitcoin Cash. I would hedge it for a month. You can use the protection. You can put it to 20%. You can put it to 50%. 50% just means that Bitcoin Cash would have to go down to $64 for the contract to close itself. If I put the protection to 20%, then I am safe hedging my $10,000 until the price is at $103.70, at which point the contract will close and I will get the $10,000 back. And if I want to hedge again, I would have to open up a new contract. So in this situation, you can create a position again, and it will give you another QR code to scan, and you would just send $10,000 worth of BCH, and the premium to hedge is only $13 for an entire month. Clearly, not that many people are hedging their funds right now, but if you were to hedge, the premium is only $13, and this is something that you would do if you think that the price of Bitcoin Cash is going to go down. Because if the price of Bitcoin Cash goes down, then you will end up getting back more BCH than you put in. So if I send 77 BCH and the price goes down a couple of dollars, I'll end up getting more than the 77 BCH back. So, and no matter what, you will get back $10,000 worth of BCH. Doesn't matter what the price is at, you will get back $10,000 worth. However, if the price goes up, you will receive back less BCH, but it'll still be worth $10,000. So that's what's really cool about BCH Bull, is you can speculate and you can hedge. And that's essentially all. That's basically all BCH Bull does. The rest is just choose your payout address. This is where you would type where to send the payout. So your Bitcoin.com wallet or whatever wallet you are currently using, and the oracles just shows what the price of Bitcoin Cash currently is. It uses its own oracle. So here you can see what the prices of each asset is, and that's how you can keep track. And then you have your transaction history and all that. So in the last month, I have done a couple of trades. So if you look at my initial trades, I was practicing. I was testing out the speculating and the hedging. As you can see, I've made a couple of negative trades and a good amount of positive trades. This one being my best trade at 136% profits. And something I would advise is to be mindful of which tab you are on, the speculate or the stabilize, because there was one trade, this one down here, where I was trying to hedge my BCH, and instead of hedging my BCH, I actually used the speculate tab. I was investing with leverage, and because of that, I lost 15% of my money there when I should have made 15%, because I was trying to stabilize, not speculate. So always be mindful of what tab you are on when using this platform. And something very advanced that might be very helpful for the day traders out there. There's something that I've learned about this application that would be very useful for people who are constantly in front of their computers, constantly using, constantly day trading, constantly active in the crypto space, is that BCH Bull does not update as quickly as these charts do. So I have here the Coinbase Pro live chart of the Bitcoin Cash. So right now the Bitcoin Cash price is $129.53. But if you look over here at the BCH Bull Oracle, it says $129.63. So there's a little bit of a price disparity. And one of the cool things about using BCH Bull is that if the price of BCH ends up dropping by a large number right now, so if there's suddenly a crash and the price of BCH drops to $100, if you go to BCH Bull very quickly, you can still hedge. You can hedge your BCH at $129 and make $30 worth of profit per BCH. And if you see that, the price of BCH has spiked to $200 in a second, you can come to BCH Bull very quickly and speculate that the price of BCH will go up, because the oracles on BCH Bull are a little slower than what the price actually is. So if you are very quick, if you're constantly on your computer, if you're constantly, if you're one of those day traders that's looking for, try to make some quick money here and there, something that you can do is you can just wait for a massive crash or a massive pump in BCH, and you can come to BCH Bull and speculate for just 2 hours. You can do a 2-hour trade. So let's say you're trying to speculate $2,500 and the price has suddenly jumped to $150 for BCH, and you come to BCH Bull and it says that the price is $129. You know that the actual price is $150 because you're looking at, your Coinbase Pro account or whatever, and you can create a position very quickly for 2 hours. It will make the position for you. You send the BCH, and in a couple of minutes, the actual price will update, and you will have made, double your money in just 2 hours of speculating. Of course, this is also risky. You never know how the price moves in the next 2 hours. But this is something that you could do if you see that there's, massive crypto swings, and it's just a cool way to speculate and a cool way to hedge against your the BCH volatility. So very cool application. I've been loving it so far, and this is a strategy I've been using recently. I saw that the BCH price was at $131. I think it's over here, $131, and then it rapidly fell to like $126, and I came to BCH Bull. I saw that the price was still at $131, so I hedged, and I ended up making about 1.6 BCH in a matter of 2 hours. So it's a very cool application that you can use for things like that. So anyways, I really hope that this video helped somebody out there. Hopefully it was informative. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.